for someone who doesn't... Hi guys, welcome back to the Minimalist Society. I'm Adeline.
I'm Penny.
And we're so excited to share with you a brand new series we're rolling out where we'll be showing you some of our past projects throughout the years we've been designing.
Yep, so today we'll be showing you 30 different bathrooms and how we think you can effectively achieve them. So having a nice bathroom is really important because that's where we go for our daily routines to start and end of the day. So hopefully this can give you a boost in the right directions in designing your future home.
So remember to subscribe for more ideas for your future home.
So the first bathroom we have is at Geylang Serai. So this bathroom looks really sleek with its grey colour wall and floor tiles in contrasting tones. So the dark colour countertop also matches nicely with the grey floor tiles.
So you can see here that the wood tone on the vanity cabinets complements the space together with the warm lighting above. And actually to top it off, the matte black bath accessories also help to complete the look.
Yeah.
So our next bathroom we have is at Ang Mo Kio Court. So here you can see that it's a simple and elegant bathroom that's created by using tiles with subtle tones and colour, and actually this allows the beautiful wood grains to on the vanity cabinet to stand out.
Yeah, it does. I really like this bathroom, and I think the round mirror in the basin really helps to add form to the bathroom by breaking up the angular lines. So this warm and soft lighting also adds to the softness of the overall design, making it really comfortable to look at. I think it's perfect for a Muji style home. This bathroom at Marine Meadows mainly uses two colours, grey and light wood. So we have matched the grey floor tiles with the colour of the worktop, and along with the thin profile of the compact worktop, this really gives a very seamless look with the horizontal running tones of the vanity cabinet.
Yeah, and here the cove lighting underneath the mirror box is added to imitate the glow of a natural light, and this helps to brighten the entire space, perfect to freshen up and get ready in the morning.
So the next bathroom we have is at Bendemeer Light. So in this bathroom you can see that it actually features tiles that mimics the traditional brick-laid patterns. But actually if you look closely, the patterns are not created with individual narrow tiles. It's actually big pieces that has different depth that help to create the illusion of tiles. Yeah, so what that means is actually there is actually less grout lines. And of course, the way we place the tiles also plays a part in maximizing the look of the bathroom. And why I say that is because since it's arranged in a horizontal manner, this can also help to enlarge the space and kind of elongate the space visually.
For the basin area here, I think they decided to go for a simple square mirror with a two-piece of floating plank to act as the vanity area.
So even though in the photo, the shower curtain has yet to be installed, but actually what happens is when you have shower curtains, right, and they are not in use, you just push it to the side, and when it's pushed to the side, it just makes it look bigger. Yeah, so when only you need to use it, then you draw the curtains. So the next bathroom we have is at Matilda Court. So this bathroom actually features these very nice protruding wooden frames for the mirrors. So I think I really like that because it actually goes well together with the worktop, and it matches the entire house theme as well with all the wood grains. So this creates a very cohesive look and it's a good continuity to the rest of the house.
Our next bathroom we have is at West Terra. So here you can see that it's a white bathroom with a tinge of black to contrast the lightness of the space. So here you can see that there's a black countertop, black basin, black tap.
So I think this gives a very modern feel to the whole bathroom.
And it becomes a consistent feature of the bathroom also.
Yeah. Next is a common bathroom at Dawson. So this layout is a very typical layout that you will find in most BTO nowadays. And so if you're someone who wants to keep other areas of the bathroom dry, you can actually go for a corner entry shower screen just like this. So this actually works really well for this kind of layout.
Yes. So our next bathroom we have is also at Dawson, and this is the master bath of the same house. And here the owners have actually converted this into a powder room, so allowing them to have this generous stretch of vanity cabinet with the mirror box. And if you notice also, here they don't have the shower place.
Yeah.
So it's a dry area for them. And also notice that the vanity cabinet is bright and the wood tone is slightly reddish, so giving the space a bit a very vibrant and cheerful look.
That is timeless.
Yeah.
So the next house we have is at Clemency Crest. So in this photo taken from the bedroom point of view of the bathroom, you can see that the floors, the color actually looks very similar.
I think visually this creates this seamless flow between the bathroom and the bedroom.
And with the slide and swing door, this also minimizes the swing radius of the door, allowing you to maximize the rest of the bathroom space.
Our next bathroom we have is at Coral Spring. So if a bathroom has a layout like this is a perfect chance for you to make full use of the space by using the mirror box and the vanity cabinet from wall to wall.
Yep, so you can see that the terrazzo-inspired quartz countertop actually adds a unique touch to an otherwise neutral tone bathroom. Right, it's little details like this that really makes a minimalistic bathroom interesting.
Next we have Meadow Lodge. So this bathroom is actually in a condo, and usually this type of bathroom are slightly bigger than the HDB ones. And that's why over here you see that the vanity cabinet is longer than the previous houses with 3 doors.
So this also allows for a bigger mirror as well. So behind the mirror is actually some storage. So this is what we call a mirror box. I think the matte black basin and the tap also helps to create this visual interest, with contrast with the light color, wood and the worktop. The next bathroom we have is at Marceline Green. So over here you can see that the grains on the wall tiles and the laminate of the vanity cabinet, they actually run in the same direction, giving it a continuity, and it's quite pleasing to the eye.
Yeah, so the color palette of this bathroom is also more on the darker side compared to the other bathroom, that makes it more modern. And one of the bathroom's mirror is from wall to wall, making the bathroom look bigger.
Yep, so actually the bathrooms, they are different. So one is the common toilet and one is the master. So you can see the basic colors are actually different. So if you're not sure, you like both colors of the basin and you're not sure whether to get this, white or black, how about you just get both? So diffuse light usually helps to set a mood in the area, and just like in this bathroom at Hougang, it looks really calming. So it looks like a very simple design, but actually a lot of thoughts have went behind the designing.
Yep, so in this bathroom, the quartz worktop here looks thicker than the usual 100mm. So the purpose is actually to hide the piping below the basin. And also if you were to add a shower screen, it will actually feel a little bit too tight. So in order to not compromise the functionality, we went for a suspended worktop with no vanity cabinet instead.
Yep, so that you don't have to worry about water splashing onto carpentry.
Our next bathroom we have is in Caribbean. So this actually gives me this outdoor shower vibe. This is because of the abundance of sunlight in the bathroom.
Yeah, and you see the vanity cabinet is really long. So for a lengthy vanity cabinet like this, I think it's important to go with horizontal running tones for the laminate, because rather than going for vertical, which
actually weighs down the whole design.
So having it horizontal actually makes it look less heavy. So the next bathroom we have is at Tampines Green Ridge. So when the size of the vanity cabinet is being limited by the size of the bathroom, just like in this bathroom, where there is little workspace to place your daily essentials, like maybe the soap or your toothbrushes, then I think it's good to make use of vertical space, just like in this house where we made use of the vertical space to create an open shelving such that it's easy to access to everyday items.
Yeah, and also the open shelf here on the vanity cabinet gives you this easy access for things like toilet paper.
Yes, very handy when you need extra toilet paper.
In a smaller bathroom, a common worry is about how to contain the water within the shower area.
Yep, so one of the ways to solve this problem is actually to have a fixed shower screen.
Yeah, so what you do is you go for a fixed shower screen just like this bathroom here at Limbang Green.
So another essential item that really helps with preventing the water from flowing all over the place in a bathroom is actually the shower curb, right? So that really helps to contain the water within, the shower area. Yeah, so you can see that the shower curb is actually chamfered at the edge. So this is actually a little touch for, ergonomic purposes.
Our next bathroom we have is at Hougang Park Edge. So this bathroom here have an integrated basin, and it's a very similar, sleek and minimalist look. And along with the dark wood laminate, this gives a very nice contrast against the white in the bathroom.
The next bathroom at Waterway Cascadia. In this bathroom, there's a visual segregation by using the black and the white tiles in the shower area and the vanity area. So another thing that really stands out in this bathroom is actually the unique running tones of the vanity cabinet. So for beautiful wood grains like this, it's important to use it at small areas or on horizontal planes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, on large surfaces, this can appear too overwhelming and overbearing and make it look
very messy.
Yeah, so in this case, it's just nice because it's a small area. So it adds this perfect touch to the monochromatic bathroom.
Our next bathroom we have is Punggol Bayview. So what we did for this bathroom is to overlay the wall tiles only because the homeowner really liked the floor tiles here.
Yeah, so in this case, what we have done at the tile shop is that we chose the colours that really matches well with the floor colours. So in this case, it really matches well together.
So you can also add a round mirror just like this bathroom here to break the horizontal patterns of your bathroom.
So on to the next bathroom at East Crown. So in this bathroom, it actually features this wood strip tiles throughout the bathroom. By laying it horizontally, this helps to elongate the bathroom visually. And with the black compact worktop, this actually creates a good contrast and it matches well together with the black accessories in the bathroom.
Moving on to our next bathroom, we have Choa Chu Kang Central. So by keeping the color palette simple, it can help make the space even larger. So just like this bathroom here, we actually mainly kept the walls and the carpentry white with a touch of warmth from the floor tiles and the compact worktop.
So for instances like this where you might be unable to have a vanity cabinet that is very deep, what you can do is you can look for basins like this where the tap sits within the basin itself. So with this can also help to save space and make the small place work, and also for easy maintenance.
Our next bathroom we have is at Compassvale Cape. So notice how the mirror box here looks different than the usual design. This playful layout actually have a good mix of accented wood tone with a cool grey colour that gives the bathroom this very interesting look.
Yeah, and on top of that, I think this really gives an added functionality where you can, have a lot of storage space and you can put like the centered, what's it called? This one.
Next bathroom we have is at Sherwood Condo. So here is actually similar to Limbang, and here you can also see that there's a feature wall at the shower area with a pattern tile, and it's called the herringbone laid tile. So actually it creates this visual interest, this texture and contrast. So you're not just looking at tiles but more of a character in the bathroom.
So for the next bathroom at Anchorvale Crescent, they actually have this really long vanity cabinet that I like because it just provides so much worktop space. And if you realize that the compact worktop, it actually matches nicely with the floor tile colour. And for the vanity cabinet, you realize that there is a mix of doors and open shelvings. Not only does this look nice, it actually is for functional purposes as well, because by having doors next to the WC, this will be too difficult to use. So having open shelvings like this, also easy for you to reach the toilet papers.
Moving on, we have Kebun Baru Court. So this bathroom actually gives me this bold minimalist style with a mix of dark wall tiles matched with the original BTO flooring and also the black frame glass screen.
So for this bathroom at Edgefield, it also has patterned tiles from the shower wall to the toilet and to the sink. And along with the cove light that is above and beneath the mirror box, I think this really helps to light up the whole place and give it a very luxurious look. So when possible, having a shower screen with doors like this can really help to keep the other area completely dry. And with the bar on the shower screen on the door, this can also double up as a towel rack.
And the next bathroom we have is in Skyline 2. So this bathroom, it features this herringbone tile on one side of the wall. So along with the black grout lines on the white tiles, you can see that this creates like a strong contrast that just draws your eyes to the wall.
Yeah, it does.
So even though the colours used in the bathroom are on a darker side, the abundance of natural light from the window knows how to bounce into the space lah. So basically it makes the space more brighter.
So even though the colours that is used in this bathroom is on the darker side, I think because of the abundance of natural light that comes into the bathroom, this really helps to brighten up the space and make the dark colours actually look much more vibrant.
So our next bathroom we have is at Tampines. So here you can see it's a perfect example of a simple and clean bathroom. And the mirror box here has some open shelving that allows for easy access to your everyday essentials.
Yeah, and Evelyn, the floor mat.
Oh yeah, she really loved the floor mat.
Well, it was really comfortable to step in. Your feet just sinks in.
Okay, fine. So in a minimalist home, I think it's all about the experience and it's not just about the aesthetics.
Yeah, so remember to look for things that are, of quality, and most importantly, they are comfortable to use, because these are the items that bring joy to your day-to-day life. So the next bathroom we have is at Costa Race. So if you're someone who doesn't use a lot of daily products, you can actually go for a half wall ledge just like this. So instead of a typical mirror, right? So then this allows the homeowners to actually go for a more stylish mirror.
And you can also find this mirror in our sister company called Scandy Supply, and actually the link is in the descriptions below. There is also a storage underneath the sink which adds functionality to the bathroom to store like your soap or your bathroom cleaners and most importantly toilet papers.
Yes. For the last bathroom we have is at Bedok South Horizon. We have a modern minimalist look with the use of medium wood tone as well as the matte black features from the accessories to the frame of the fixed shower screen. So by having a round basin like this also helps to add a soft touch among all the vertical lines that is being highlighted by the black features.
We realized that a lot of our homeowners are a huge fan of our classic wood and white tone. And you know why?
Well, it's just so beautiful, easy to match, and timeless. And those are the 30 different types of bathroom designs. It's truly a timeless look that can be incorporated into any bathrooms to make them more clean, spacious, and functional.
So which bathroom was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for more videos like this.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time.
Bye!